Compass Publishing. Conduction is the transfer of heat through a solid. We use conduction for things like baking. Why do we need to heat the oven before we want to bake something? One reason is time. It takes time for heat energy to build up inside the oven. Heat energy must then transfer through the food and metal pan to bake the food. If you start with a cold oven, this takes a lot longer. But if you preheat the oven, the food will cook much faster. If the oven isn't hot enough, the outside of the cookie will be cooked, but the inside won't be. You will have nothing but a big mess if the food doesn't cook evenly all the way through. Another reason is safety. Foods like meat, eggs, and other ingredients can make you sick if they aren't cooked enough. Preheating the oven helps to make sure that foods get cooked at the right temperature for the right amount of time. Make sure you preheat the oven next time you cook or bake something.